Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to turn off password login or PIN login in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video. So let's go. If your password is connected to Microsoft account, then this first step is for you. If you're not connected your account to the Microsoft account, then you can go to the my next step. Okay. First of all, I just go to the start and I just go to my account. Just go to the account picture. Click at here. Here we find change account setting. Just go to the change account settings. Okay. Now here we find our account and account email and administrator. Here just click on the sign in with a local account instead. Okay. Just click at here, sign in with local account. Now just click on the next. Now it's asked your PIN, then just add your PIN. Okay, just add your PIN. Now it's asked you to create a username, then just go with the username that you want and just add a password. If you want to add a password, then just go with the password. In this case, I want to password. I just remove this password in next step. Okay. Okay. Now just click on the next. Okay. Now just click on the sign out and finish. Now it is goes to the sign out. Now click at here. Now just add your PIN or the password. If you ask password, then I add a password. Now it's login with my PIN. Now I just log out from my PIN and also from the password. That is our second and third step. Okay. Now just go to the start and just type sign in options. Just click on the sign in option at this point. Now sign in option is appear. First I want to remove PIN. So I just go to the hello PIN, Windows hello PIN. And here we find remove. Just click on the remove and just remove our PIN from here. Okay. Now just add password, your PC's password. Okay. And just click on the OK. Now your PIN is removed. Now if you want to remove password also, then just go to the password. Okay. Now here we find change. Just click on the change. Now just add your current password. Okay. And now just click on the next. Now here we ask for the new password, confirm password, password hint. Just you blank. Just not add any password or any confirm password or any hint. Just click on the next. Now just click on the finish. Now just close it. Now I just restart my PC or log out from my PC or sign out from my PC. And we can see it is automatically log in when I just click at here and just click on the sign in or just restart my PC. It is automatically log in to our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to turn off password, PIN login or Microsoft account login in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.